Warren Buffett's 5 golden rules. Learn them by heart, and you'll earn even in your sleep. Are you working day and night, yet your pockets remain empty? Do you believe that money comes only through hard work? Then hold on a second, because what you're about to discover might shake your beliefs. One of the richest and wisest investors in the world, Warren Buffett, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." And trust me, this is not just a quote, it's a warning. A wake-up call for all those who sweat every day but fail to build wealth. It's time to dive into Buffett's 5 most powerful lessons, insights that aren't just meant for Wall Street in America, but are golden rules even for India's Dalal Street. Today, we'll explore each one deeply. But before that, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Let's begin. The first lesson Warren Buffett shared decades ago remains just as vital today. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. It may sound simple, but the wisdom behind it runs deep. Buffett emphasizes that in the stock market, protecting your capital is more important than making profits. For instance, if you invest 1 lakh in a stock and it drops 50%, you are left with just 50,000. But to recover that loss, you'll now need to earn a 100% return. In other words, recovering from a loss requires double the effort. That's why smart investors focus first on protecting their capital. Profits come later. In India, where thousands of people lose their hard-earned money chasing IPOs, small caps, or stock tips, this rule should be the backbone of investment strategy. Now let's talk about the second priceless lesson. It's better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Buffett shared this wisdom in 1989 when the market was obsessed with cheap stocks. He said that investing in a quality company is the foundation for long-term success, even if it costs a bit more. The company's moat, its competitive edge, brand value, and loyal customer base, is what truly matters. For example, in India, companies like Asian Paints, HDFC Bank, or Titan have delivered solid returns over decades, while seemingly cheap stocks have quietly faded into oblivion. So don't chase price, identify value. As Warren Buffett says, price is what you pay. Value is what you get. And this mindset lays the foundation for successful investing. Now the third principle, which is perhaps Buffett's most talked about advice, be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful. This was first said in 2004 when the stock market was booming. Everyone was buying, and Buffett warned his investors to be cautious. Then came the 2008 recession, and during that time, he invested in several undervalued yet strong companies. This quote reflects market psychology. When everyone is afraid, selling, and running from losses, that's when the real opportunities lie. And when people get greedy chasing guaranteed returns, that's when danger is highest. Take India's COVID crash of 2020 as an example. When panic was at its peak, those who bought shares like HDFC, Reliance, and Infosys have now seen their portfolios double or triple. Going against the crowd is risky, but that's where the real profit lies. Fourth principle Warren Buffett shared in 1987 is, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. This line is as true as it is bitter. According to Buffett, the greatest strength in investing is patience. People who check their portfolios every week or month, panic at every dip, usually end up losing. And those who hold strong companies for years see their wealth grow naturally. Investing is like gardening. You plant a seed, water it, keep it in sunlight, and then wait. But today, everyone wants to get rich quickly. Everyone wants their money to double in a week. But Buffett says, someone who thinks that way will end up making others rich because their impatient decisions lead to losses and give the patient ones the edge. Now let's talk about Warren Buffett's fifth and final most famous lesson. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. He said this in a 2017 interview, but its relevance is timeless. He believes the wisest money-making strategy is passive income. That means even when you're not working, your assets are working for you. That's why Buffett loves stocks, dividends, real estate, and business models that grow wealth over time. In India too, options like FD, SIP, rental income, or the stock market are available, yet people still view them as risky and rely solely on active income all their lives. If we adopt Buffett's wisdom seriously, it could ensure financial freedom not just for us but for future generations as well. Listening to these 5 principles isn't enough. It's essential to understand them and apply them in real life. Warren Buffett's words aren't just motivational quotes, they are financial truths rooted in experience. He shared what he learned with the world so that others wouldn't repeat the same mistakes. Today, when many in India buy stocks blindly, chase IPOs, or follow WhatsApp tips, it becomes critical to understand that true investing is not based on hype, but on knowledge and experience. So if you are about to step into the stock market or are already trading, Warren Buffett's 5 golden lessons can be your shield. When everyone's rushing in, pause. When the market falls, think. And when greed takes over, stay grounded. Because the stock market can give you a lot, only if you learn, understand, and stay patient.
If our video has taught you something new, do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestions. And yes, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every new story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources: news from various news agencies, opinion polls, and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.